Hey guys, Ashlyn here from the Vape Superstore. We're back at it again with another video. Have you experienced this before? We know vaping can sometimes be a bit intimidating with disposable e-cigarettes, vape kits, pods, mods. There's so many different types of vapes to choose from. What is vaping? Vaping is the inhalation of vapor through an electronic device that simulates smoking. Vaping is widely used to help people stop smoking, as its inhale is similar to smoking, but it lacks the harsh ingredients and additives. While there's some controversy around vaping and its safety, vaping is significantly safer than smoking. But don't take our word for it. Here are the facts. The NHS reports in a 2019 UK clinical trial found that those who use electronic cigarettes to quit smoking were twice as likely to succeed as people who use other nicotine replacement products such as patches or gum. There are over 600 ingredients and 5,000 chemicals in cigarettes, many of which are poisonous and up to 70 cause cancer. Vaping consists of a handful of ingredients including nicotine, propylene glycol, vegetable glycerin, and food-grade food flavorings. An independent study from the Public Health of England found vaping to be 95% less harmful than smoking. How does a vape kit work? A vape kit consists of a battery, tank, coil, and trip tip. The vape kit works through the heating of a vape coil, which then heats up the vape juice in the tank. You then inhale the vapor through the mouthpiece and exhale the vapor. There are two types of vaping styles, mouth to lung and direct to lung. Mouth to lung requires you to draw the vapor into your mouth from the mouthpiece and then inhale like you would with a cigarette. Direct to lung vaping, like its name, suggests that you inhale the vapor and the vapor travels directly to your lungs. Direct to lung vaping is very airy, it's less restrictive, and it creates an immense amount of vapor. There are a wide range of vape products, such as disposable e-cigarettes, vape pods, mods, pens, and kits. Disposable e-cigarettes come pre-charged, and they also come pre-filled with vape juice. You'll get around 500 puffs depending on the brand. Vape pens are compact, user-friendly, and are compatible with a wide range of vape juices. Vape pods are discreet in size and allow vapors to fill vape cartridges with a specific type of vape juice. Vape mods are advanced devices which give you the option to customize your vape settings, and you'll also get an immense amount of vapor. If you're quitting smoking and looking for a low-maintenance vaping option, you'll find that disposable e-cigarettes, vape pods, and vape pens to be your best option. Vape pens, pods, and disposable cigarettes will give you that mouth-to-lung vaping experience and require little to no setup right out of the box. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.